Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, now let's see how we can integrate this function. Okay, so we are given x cube on x plus 1. So just pause the video and give it a try. Okay, so x cube on x plus 1 dx. Okay, now before we can even think of integrating, let's look at the numerator. So the numerator is s cube, okay, and there is no way you can do any substitution. Okay, so what we are going to do is to adjust the numerator. Now let's understand what is meant by the sum and difference of cubes. When you're given s cube minus 1 cube, okay, the same as x minus 1. So we have x squared plus the product of this and that plus 1 squared. So that is 1. If this side is plus, that will be s cube minus 1 cube. So if this side is plus, that will be x plus 1. So we have x squared minus the product x plus 1 squared. We call it difference of cubes. Now we are going to adjust the numerator. So I'll make this side plus 1 minus 1. Now the reason is I want to write the sum of cube here, okay, through that I'll get x plus 1 so that it will cancel out. Okay, so from here I have integral of, so x cube plus 1, s cube, 1 cube is the same as 1, so this one is got that. So we have x plus 1, okay, so x plus 1. Alright, so let me write this one as s cube plus 1 on x plus 1 minus 1 on x plus 1 dx. So this side will be s cube plus 1, that will be x plus 1. Okay, we have x plus 1. So s squared minus x plus 1 on x plus 1 minus 1 on x plus 1 dx. Okay, all right, from here we can do cancellation. This one will cancel this, so I'll be left with integral of x squared minus x plus 1, okay, my x plus 1. So it's here, okay, 1 on x plus 1 dx. So we have our dx here. Okay, now before we continue, anytime you're given f of, okay, f of x and f prime of x, so this one is a function and its derivative, okay. Now if derivative of this is what is here, the answer becomes the natural log of the absolute value of the denominator plus c. So in case we're given integral of x, this side is 1, okay, so the derivative of x is 1. So the answer will be the natural log of the absolute value of x plus c. Okay, so with this, let's go back to the question. All right, so we can now do the integration. So x squared will be x cubed on 3, so minus x squared on 2 plus x, okay, minus, now the derivative of x is 1, so minus the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1 plus c. So this is the answer to the question. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.